the Rolling Stones teased new single Sweet Sounds of Heaven, which Lady Gaga and Stevie Wonder. The new song is the second single from Hackney Diamonds' next album, which will be released on October 20th. It comes just a few weeks after Angry, featuring Sydney Sweeney of Euphoria and a music video. On September 28 at 5 p.m. British Summer Time, the album Sweet Sounds of Heaven will be released. Paul McCartney, Elton John, and former Stones bassist Bill Wyman are among the other notable guests scheduled to play on the upcoming album. Talking about the song Sweet Sounds of Heaven, on which he duets with Gaga and Wonder plays keyboards, was described by Jagger in a previous Rolling Stone interview as follows: "Walked in front of him, and she just curled up in a ball in front, and then someone gave her a mic, and she started singing." In another recent interview, Jagger also talked about the band's planned collaborations with Paul McCartney on the Hackney Diamonds song Bite My Head Off. Paul McCartney was happy to be the band's bassist rather than its primary creator. Additionally, he totally rocked out. He was a perfect match for the role. It was as if they had been making fun of him for years. The feeling was quite satisfying.